We're at Papa GINO'S, a New England institution. You know, there's not many of them around anymore. A lot of them around me have closed, but we found one here in Londonderry, New Hampshire. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna go eat. It is freezing today. Let's go.
Here is the menu.
OG pizza. So I haven't been here in like, I don't know, 5-6 years to Papa GINO'S. It's been a really long time. All the ones that were around me all went out of business. But so I walked in. I wanted to order my usual like specialty pizza, which is called a pepperoni. It's extra pepperoni, extra cheese, and they don't have it anymore. But you can just order extra pepperoni, extra cheese. So that's what I did. But I also added onions, and I got a drink. So Katrina and I are gonna try this. The music in here is super loud. So yeah. Got the pizza. It is hot. It's good pizza. Yeah, it brings me back to when I was younger. I used to come here all the time. Yeah, really good. It was $20 for this small pizza. And it seems like a lot, but it's really, really good. Look at the bottom. Get some char on it. It's good.
I got my slice.
I burned my top of my mouth.
Great.
Yeah. Totally burned it. All right. Let's see what Katrina thinks.
Better than I remember.
Yeah.
I wasn't a Papa GINO'S fan. I never really had it as a kid. Dan ate it a lot in college, and I was like, man. But no, it's good though.
Yeah, I understand what you mean. I mean, some locations are better than others, and I think that's why some like went out of business. This is an OG location.
This one's good.
Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, the pepperoni was also always really, really good if you could get it like good. But sometimes they were like, from what I remember, not so good. But this one's really good.
This one's good.
Yeah. I'm on my last slice here. Yeah, if you haven't been to Papa GINO'S in a while, I would definitely recommend making a stop in. It's fresh, it's delicious. The only thing I would say is get the large. The large is like $5 more. It's huge, you know, compared to the small. But it's very, very good. It tastes super fresh, super delicious. I mean, I'm definitely coming back, for sure. It's really, really good. Like, 9 out of 10 good, you know? Because when you say it's really good, yeah. I mean, I love Greek pizza. This isn't really Greek pizza, but it's like really good pizza. Very, very good pizza. Better than most places pizza. Anyway, yeah. Subscribe. See ya.